we're going to go over our math lesson for Monday. This is use place value to add. We should be in your pages lesson 8-7. I'm going to play it just like I do when we're here at school. I'm going to go through it, and you can play it back later if I went too fast. If you have any questions, you can contact me during the Q&A time.
Use place value to add. Essential question. How can you model tens and ones to help you add two-digit numbers? Listen and draw. Model the problem with base 10 blocks. Draw a quick picture to show your work.
So it's the same thing, class, that we do over here when we're using our base 10. We have a stick of 10 and we have ones. We're not going to be using any flats of 100. So down here at the base it says, read the following problem. Cameron has 30 old stamps and 25 new stamps. How many stamps does Cameron have? So we're going to draw that out. We have a tens group and we have a one section. Again, this is for our sticks of tens and this is for the ones. So we start off, Cameron has 30. So we're going to illustrate, draw out 3 sticks of 10. 10, 20, 30. When you look at 30, we have 0 ones. Then you come down and it says he also has 25 new stamps. So we're going to illustrate the 25 new stamps. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Look at how I illustrated them. So I matched them up in partners. So right away you know that 25 is an odd number because there is an odd man left out in the ones place. Then it says, how many stamps does Cameron have all together? So we're going to count this up together. We're going to start with our tens and then we're going to go to our ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Again, watch how I did this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then I go to my ones. I had 50, so this is 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So what I just did was I said 30 plus 25. And when I added that up, my total was 55. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in my tens place, 5 sticks of 10, and 5 ones. And when I circle this, I can show that 55 is an odd number. Okay? We're going to go on to our next page. Remember, if I'm moving fast or if you miss something, it's okay. You can come back and you can play it again. These are recorded. If you have questions, you can call me, you can email me, and we can do the Q&A time. Listen to what this section says.
Model and draw. How can you use tens and ones to add? Tens, ones.
Notice that these are dotted out for you to trace over. The first top number is 35 plus 38. So let's trace over those. Go ahead and do this with me. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So here's our top number and here's where we've illustrated it and shown it. The next number is 38. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So I've got both numbers illustrated.
Tens, ones. 3 tens plus 5 ones. 3 tens plus 8 ones. 6 tens plus 13 ones. 60 plus 13 is equal to 73.
Okay, so they just gave you a lot of information there. Let's go back and look at it and break it down. The 3 tens and the 3 tens These numbers both have 3's in the tens place. This number has a 5 in the ones place. This number has an 8 in the ones place. So the 6 tens came from all of your tens totaled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups of 10. Go ahead and trace over that 6. And as you're tracing over that 6, say that to yourself, 6 tens is 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now we come over to the ones. What do you notice about the ones? There's 13 ones, which means we're going to be able to make a group of 10. Look at all the ones we have. We can certainly make a group of 10. So we've got 60 in the tens column plus 13 in the ones column. So if we counted that up together, you're going to see, let me change colors so it stands out for you, that right here we've made a whole new group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a new stick of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. The other option that you have for working this out, therefore, our answer is 73. You can use your hundreds chart. I'm pointing over here to our hundreds chart on the wall. You have in your packets, in your resource materials in the manila folder, you have your hundreds charts to 120. Watch what I do with this. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10. And then I had 13 ones. But I knew that I made a group of 10. And I had 3 ones left over. 10, 11, 12, 13. Much faster than saying 60 and then counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Because we knew we made a group of 10. 1, 2, 3. Same answer. You can use this chart. You can do it the way we did it there by illustrating it and circling it.
Share and show. Draw a quick picture. Use tens and ones to add.
So this is what we're going to do. The same thing. We're adding 81 plus 14. 81 is 8 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And a 1 in my ones place. 14 is 1 stick of 10 and 4 ones. So I have 8 tens and 1 1, 1 10 and 4 ones. My total tens, 8 plus 1 is 9. And then 1 plus 4 is 5. So I have 90, because 9 tens equals 90. 5 ones equals 95. My answer in total is 95. Okay, I'm going to go on to the next page, give you a quick direction, let you go on your own. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Telephone to the classroom, email me, or the Q&A time. Same exact thing that we just did on the other page, guys. Same thing, 2 more problems. Okay? Down here, they change it up a little bit. They bring down your 28, and then they're saying they're going to break 17 into 2 numbers. Well, they took 15 out, and they're trying to take out 2 ones because the goal for this, 2 plus 15 equals the 17. That's what that arrow, funky arrow, indicates. If I take the 2 and the 15, I get my 17. But they want you to think about 28 plus 2 equals a group of 30. 30 plus 15 more. So I've got 30 plus 10 is 40 plus 5 is 45. And this is where I suggest you use your hundreds charts if you're not sure. Go to your hundreds chart, go to 30, come down a group of 10, count up 5 more ones. Same format here. This is review. Okay, I'm going to end this session. If you need anything, contact me.